As you head to the polls, make sure you know what your rights are, including ensuring you're not falling victim to voter intimidation.
Now, according to the American Civil Liberties Union, or ACLU, examples of voter intimidation include aggressively questioning voters about their citizenship, falsely presenting oneself as an election official, or spreading false information about voter requirements, such as the ability to speak English. KXAN's Grace Reader breaks down how to report intimidation or voting issues if you see them.
At a South Austin polling station, these two women were electioneering Tuesday outside the required 100-foot marker when they say a security guard berated them and told them to put their signs up and leave. They said if there was a rule they were breaking.
Because I'm not aware of it, but I never got a chance to ask him because he kept yelling and intimidating us.
They felt it crossed the line into voter intimidation, so they reported it to the Secretary of State's office in Travis County.
And this is why we left and went to go vote somewhere else.
The League of Women Voters Austin area says they've gotten a few calls about similar issues in Travis County so far.
We've had a few. Most of it has either been misinformation or sort of vague intimidation, folks standing outside the 100-foot marker, but, just kind of, yelling at people, things like that.
So what do you do if you feel something isn't quite right? Whether that be suspected voter intimidation or polling places not following the rules, there's a national hotline for that, 1-866-RVOTE.
And that is the nonpartisan election protection hotline. It's just people who really know what they're talking about who can answer those kinds of questions.
And to report a situation, first report it immediately to the presiding election judge at a polling place. Reach out to the county the issue occurred in, and you can file a report with the Secretary of State. We've got the voter hotline and how to report to the state over at KXAN.com for you.
A lot of people don't report these situations, and I want them to feel comfortable to report it.
Grace Reader, KXAN News.
And we did reach out to the mall this afternoon where these two women said they had their issue yesterday, but we have not yet heard back. Although when we stopped by, there was some new signage up reminding people they cannot stand with signs past that 100-foot mark.